Steps in the U.S. passport application process. Step 1. Access the Department of State website by entering www.travel.state.gov into your internet browser. Step 2. Click on the Get a Passport tab. Step 3. Click on I'm an adult in the I need a passport box. Step 4. Notice that you must apply in person for a passport. Step 5. Click on Form Filler Tool. Step 6. The website will navigate to another page, agree to the policy, and click Submit. Step 7. Navigate to the Fill Out Online in Print box and click Submit. 8. Read the instructions and complete the form as prompted by the website. Step 9. Print your DS-11 form. Step 10. Next, gather your evidence of U.S. citizenship. This should be your original or certified birth certificate and state-issued ID. Step 11. Make photocopies of your birth certificate and ID front and back. Step 12. Next, you'll have to take your passport photo. We recommend having your photo taken at a passport acceptance facility. Some passport acceptance facilities provide photo services for an additional fee. You can also have your passport photo taken at CVS or Walgreens. Step 13. Next, make an appointment with the passport acceptance facility to submit your application in person. Many U.S. Postal Service offices are acceptance facilities, however, there are others as well. Step 14. To make an appointment, click on the Find a Location to Apply button on the U.S. passport page of the Department of State website. Step 15. Follow the prompts on the locator page to find an acceptance facility and make an appointment. Step 16. You must pay fees for the passport services. When applying U.S. Form DS-11, you will pay 2 separate fees, an application fee and an execution fee or acceptance fee. For a passport book, the application fee is $130 and the execution or acceptance fee is $35. That's a total of $165. A passport can take up to 13 weeks for process, so get started early. For expedited passport book, the application fee is $130, the execution or acceptance fee is $35, and the expedited service costs an additional $60. That's for a total of $225. Processing time for an expedited service is up to 9 weeks. Step 17. On the day of your appointment, have your completed DS-11 form, evidence of citizenship documents, and money for fees ready. If you're taking your photo that day as well, make sure your photo is ready. Step 18. You can subscribe to the email updates about your application status. Please note that they may take 2 weeks from the day you apply until your application status is in process. And that's it. You're one large step closer to the UIF meetup at the University of Twente in the Netherlands.